And we are in front of a new interesting Gloo X design, especially designed for the Mercedes Sprinter, but you can also get it for the Fiat Ducato and Crafter. So next year, plan for quarter 2026 also for the Ducato variants, and looks like a pretty great design. And this is actually air inside, so probably gets inflated, and this looks like carbon fiber all the way down. And then from the inside it's pretty bright, big mattress. It's great because this could be actually heated very well in winter, and the finish looks great. Great pop-up solution. Sorry, how much is the weight of the complete?
This is still a prototype,
Okay.
this is a bit on the heavy side, but the finished product will be around about 130 kilos.
Okay. So the weight will be 130 kilos, but probably you will need 4.1 tons for the Sprinter because he is already at the limit when you put a pop-up roof. And if you add something more, you should have the 4.1 tonnage. But a great solution, looking forward